This is a margarita. Did it make you smile? If you smiled, keep watching. Otherwise, take a break and think about why you didn't smile. A margarita can make you smile. But can a margarita change the world? Welcome to the Million Margarita Movement. We are trying to have 1 million people share a margarita at the same time on Saturday, October 18th. Why a margarita? Because there is something special about sharing a margarita versus sharing a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, a beer, or some other drink. Have you ever tried the exercise where you smile? Yes, you can do this right now. Put your biggest smile on, and don't let go of that smile. Now think of something that upsets you or makes you angry while not letting go of the smile. It's hard to do, to get pissed off while you're smiling. Now if you put a margarita in your hand, the same thing happens. You smile, and it's hard to get angry or upset while it's in your hand. For some, it can represent fun, being happy, relaxed, a step back, if you will. And while you step back, relaxed, you reflect on the world and think there must be a better way. Now imagine one big family of 1 million people sharing a margarita across the world at the same time. As human beings, no politics, race, or religion to get in the way. And in doing so, we'll tell the world there must be a better way. We are tired of the bickering and fighting, the conflict of humankind that is destroying the world. And we'll laugh and have fun. We can create a better world, and it can start with a margarita. Imagine if Congress started their session sharing a margarita. Maybe they would stop thinking as Republicans or Democrats and just start thinking and acting as human beings. There is no American, Canadian, Mexican, etc. when sharing a margarita. Let's be humans first. We were originally going to call this the Million Margarita March, that felt 1 million people with margaritas marching on Washington would have public safety issues. But if people want to solve those issues and organize, I'm all in. For now, it will stay the Million Margarita Movement for Humanity. How can you help? Join the movement and find a few friends to share a margarita with on the 18th. Read our campaign page for more info and updates. Thank you for your support. Now stay tuned for a special warning. Be smart. Drink responsibly. Don't spill your drink. To waste your margarita would be irresponsible. Drink in moderation. Drink in a safe environment with your friends and other responsible people who care about your well-being. Don't drink and drive. The use of alcohol is a serious matter. It is false to think another person, drink, or thing can make you happy. The decision to be happy, no matter how much crap is on your plate, is only yours to make. Be happy.